Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Dollar General. I've been thinking about inflation and the holiday season coming up. Not too many people are looking to spend a lot of money this holiday season, and so what stores are going to benefit from that? And I tend to think Dollar General is going to be in line for that as people look for ways to save money shopping at the dollar store. And so it just happens that DG here is near a pretty clear level of resistance. If I zoom out, you can see this previous high from back in March right over here. We so far haven't been able to get even above that level. We come close, pull back, come close, pull back, and this recent pullback was a little faster than the other one. Back here it pulled back and then held that pullback for a couple of months. This time pulled back right to the 50-day and then right back to that previous level of resistance. And so I definitely think it's worth watching. I'm going to set an alert on my software here right around that 261.50 zone and look for a strong move through that level coming on volume. And so want to see it push through, close above, and look for that volume to confirm that this move is actually real. Because as you may have seen, breakouts in this market, a little tough to come by. So that's the setup I'm looking at here for DG. And I want to take this opportunity and just wish you a happy Thanksgiving. And thanks for following Stock Market Mentor. I'll see you soon.